2014 Bella Italia Car Show by the Ferrari Owners Club of San Diego. They put this yearly event on as a charity event. We've got the HC Motorsports booth behind me with the Ferrari 458 Spider that we customized. We've also got two Nissan GTRs that we brought with us, and also the CLA 250 Edition 1. This year is a great event. We had a little bit of rain this morning, but now it's perfect weather. You can't ask for anything more.